Hey, what's going on, guys? GamerDevo100 here, back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna do something that I've never done before. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Today, we're gonna be unboxing travel toothbrush. I think you guys can see it fine. I think it might be backwards for you. Well, it's backwards for me because I'm recording with a phone. Anyway, so let's get into this thing. I do not know how to open this. There's like a toothbrush and toothpaste. Yeah. Alright, let's get into this thing. Alright. Jesus. How do I do this? Oh, I got it. Wow, I think I just made it worse. Yeah, I can't remove the plastic. Jeez. Okay, I got it. I should have brought like a knife with me or something. Oh, I got it. Nice. We got this, and I got Crest toothpaste. Oh, I'm holding upside down. Okay. So, it's too much rubbish. I don't need that, I don't need that, I don't need that, I don't need that. So, we have these things. Oh, I'm not holding upside down. I'm weird. Okay. Oh. I think I expected more from that. Thought it would be more impressive. Okay then. This white thing, you just take out the white thing. And then you have your toothbrush. That's fine. And it also comes with a protective case. I got the blue one. So that's fine. Alright. Next we have Crest toothpaste Whitening Plus scope. Whitening Plus right there. And you guys can read these if you want. Just pause the video, it's focused, and then you can read the ingredients and all this stuff. But I'm not gonna read that. Alright, let's get into this thing. How do we open this? This thing's tight. Damn. Alright. Ow, ow. I hurt my finger. Fine. Alright. I'm gonna get this thing more stabilized. Jeez. Wow, I just made it worse. Okay, there we go. So you have the toothbrush right here. I'm just gonna set that off to the side. Can't open the toothpaste. Oh my god, how do I open this? Aha! My filter. My filter for microphones. But I have perfect idea. Just unscrew this. Screw it. Grip it to the cap of this toothbrush. Trust me, it's not a stupid idea. Please trust me. Let me know in the comments if you trust me on this. It's not a stupid idea. Okay. It is done. I can now screw the cap using this. What? Oh my god, did I mess it up? I better not mess it up. Oh, it's working. Wait, no, it's not. Screw this. Brush, help me. Can't be brushing my teeth all day. Case is not helping either. Wow. I expected more from this video. There's literally only 2 steps in here. Okay. What else is gonna help me? Really? My Blue Jedi mic. Beatboxing's not gonna help us, obviously. Let me try the filter again. Let me try the screw again. It probably won't work, but it's worth a try, isn't it? Great. Great. Really? Why did I do this video today? I'm gonna take a break from uploading videos. I'm not gonna make a video tomorrow on Wednesday unless I get another unboxing video. Well, technically, my grandma just gave this to me for free, and then I asked my dad to do an unboxing video of it, and I'm doing it right now. So let's see how this goes now. Oh, it's working. Wow. It's sealed with plastic. Okay, now let's unscrew this if we can. Drop it. Thank you. Cap is dropped. Filter, you need to go. So, it's sealed in this plastic. Took it off. So inside, this smells, it's very minty. It's green inside. Okay, I didn't expect that. I just expected it to be plain plain black. Plain white. Black's my favorite color, so don't judge me by messing it up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So, review. We have the rubbish that I don't need. Mic drop. Okay, so yeah, we had that. We have the toothbrush protector case. We have the toothbrush itself. Pretty white. It's a decent brush. Works good. We just put it in the case and then carry it like normal, like this. It looks like a popsicle, don't you think? And we have our complete crest multi-benefit. Focus on it. Focus, please. And whitening plus scope. Minty fresh striped. Focus. Focus. Alright, maybe it's because of the window. Close the blinds. Yay, I'm vlogging. What's up, viewers? Okay. Just close the blinds. Thank you. Alright. So we have Chris. And we have the toothbrush with the case. Toothbrush in the case. Very simple. I'm gonna take this to Disney World with me. I'm gonna leave on Thursday and return on Tuesday. So it should be uploaded by next Wednesday. I'm gonna make 2 videos. I'm gonna make a montage, which is not gonna have me talking in it, just recap of what I did, and then a vlog, which is gonna be on. I'm gonna make a vlog on Disney World, which is gonna have me talking in it. Just a montage and a vlog. They should be uploaded by Wednesday, and if they're not, I apologize. My uploading system is it takes a pretty long time to upload my gaming videos. I record them really early, and they got uploaded really late. Yeah. Anyway, whatever. So, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy it, then please leave a like. That'll be greatly appreciated. And subscribe if you're brand new, for gaming videos and unboxing videos and vlogs, there's tutorials and all that stuff. It's a non-stop eternity of my channel. Alright. And if you want to be part of my notification squad, smash that bell and make sure it's ringing. And as always, guys, let's play Fortnite.